Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Jay here, and for today I got another how-to tutorial video for you guys. So you guys, have you ever seen this little logo on videos with the little subscribe button attached to it? Today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this logo and created it and added to my videos for a more professional look. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So for this, I went into my Picsart and I used the checkered background that is your transparent background. So now I'm just going into the stickers area and I'm looking for a gold circle. So as you can see, they have a lot of options. If you want something green, if you want a halo, if you want just anything, you just type it in and you will be able to find it. So I was just going through seeing what I would like, and I'm just using them as options just to see if it would speak to me. So I just typed in my channel name, Marina J. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. So I typed that in and I'm just putting it in just to see how it would all look and go together and to see if I like it or not. And then I am going to change my font and use that gold foil background that I had saved, and just looking to see if I liked it or not, and just moving everything around. You can also change the font around like you see that I did here, resize it, enlarging it, or make it a bit smaller and enlarging your logo, your circle, whatever it is that you want to do. I'm sure you can find it on this app. You just have to look around and play with it a bit just to see and get what you envision out into something more tangible that you can see. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with everything to see if it will be something that I would like. And I just went back into the stickers section just to get more options, more variety, to see if there's anything else that would stand out to me. So I just went in to look for a crown. I wanted to see how it would look if I had a crown at the end of my name by itself, that would stand out as a logo by itself. And I'm just showing you guys different ways that you can create this. So as you can see here, I add the crown to the ending of my name just to add that little accent touch, and just looking back at it to see if I would like it or not. Now if you are trying out different logos, you can save them to your photo gallery. Do not apply. Apply means that you cannot make any changes. So just save the options and look through them later to see what speaks to you. So as you can see, I'm just going through the options that I see just to see if there's anything there that would catch my eyes into bringing that into my design. So I saw this cute logo with the crown on top of it, and I just brought it in and expanded just to see how it would look with it just by itself. And again, this app has so many options that you can create anything for. Either it's a logo for your business, just for yourself, for your IG. You can make so many different options and varieties using this app. So as you can see, I'm just going around looking and browsing through just to see if anything else would catch my eyes to form this logo. So I went back into the circle section because I didn't find any other options. So I went back into the gold circle sticker section, and I saw this circle that I was gonna use before for my banner. If you haven't seen my banner video, check it out. I will link it in the eye for you guys. So I'm just aligning everything together just to see how it would look together and if it would be something that I would like, a concept that I would like. And I save it to my photo gallery just for an option later. So I went back in and I just looked around a bit just to see if there was anything else that came up. And I did see another one that I wanted to try out just to see how it would look on its own. And I selected, removed the other, and saved it for my option later. And I did kind of like this one, but not as much as the other one. So I did decide to use the other logo instead. So now that I've found this one to be one that I may like, I saved it to my photo roll, camera roll, and then I just went and saved this one as well, and I went into finishing off and saving it also as a sticker on the app itself. Now that I'm complete, I'm just saving everything, and then I'm gonna be heading over into my photos just to select everything to see how they all look and to see which one I would officially be using for my watermark for my images. So now that I've seen which one I'm gonna use, I decided to use this one here. It speaks the most to me, so I just send it over to my computer using AirDrop. So now on my computer it is here. Now I'm just going to click it just to is correct, because on YouTube they want a specific size or amount of gigabytes or megabytes. So as you can see here, it is about, I can't really see, it's about 9.4 megabyte. We want to bring it down to 1 megabyte. So as you can see, I'm just changing it around bit by bit to see how much it will be. Now it's saying 541 KB. We can max it up a bit, so I'm just going through it just to show you guys how I'm adjusting it using the MacBook Air. If you have another computer, maybe you can try it the same way by finding the adjust size setting on your computer. And as you can see, I'm just readjusting. I just wanted to show you guys this bit just to show you guys that it can be adjusted. Now it's at 1.2. I went in with 1.2 just to see what it said. I'm trying to see as much as I can maximize it for it to be 1 gig. So now I went into the customization setting of my YouTube. Now I'm clicking on it. You can see it say 1.2, but I'm just gonna click it just to show you guys what it says. As you can see, it's saying 1.2. I clicked it and it was saying that it needs to be at least 1 megabyte or smaller. So now we're just gonna go back into readjusting the size to make sure that it is actually 1 megabyte and not 1.2. So I just went in and diddle with the size again. Now it is saying 1 megabyte, and that is what we need. So now we're gonna click OK and go back to re-uploading it to our videos. As you can see, I clicked OK, and now we're about to re-upload it or change it to use it for our watermark. So as I selected, this is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna click done, and you want to make sure that you actually click on publish. Also, there are options on the watermark section which says for the entire video, the ending of the video, or customize start. So you want to make sure that it says for your entire video if you want, or you can select whichever you decide, and do not forget to publish. Now I'm just going to go back to my channel, and this was when I had 55 subscribers. Also guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going into my photo, and I'm just going to show you guys that it is there, and you can see it in my videos, or in your videos you can use it as a test run. And there it is. That's the button right there. When you bring your cursor over it, you can see it shows your channel name and the subscribe button there. So again guys, that is it. That is how I did my watermark for my channel and for my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more videos, more content. Let me know what else you guys would like to see during creating your YouTube videos and towards your YouTube success. All of these things that you see in other videos, let me know if you want me to make videos on those and how to make them or recreate them. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.